Hello learners, today I am going to tell you all the sources where you can take up good quality free online courses along with free certifications. I am sure you already know the value of certificates. They are a proof of your skills and expertise and needed for endorsement when you apply for any internship or job. Now, without further ado, let's begin. IBM IBM provides over 80 free online courses from beginner to advanced with certifications in various fields of IT like data science, data analysis, cloud computing, blockchain, development, and many more. To take up these courses, visit the website of Cognitive Class. The link is mentioned in the description of the video. You can see all the courses mentioned here along with their level, which will help you choose the course based on your skills. For better choice, you can click on a course and view the course description, syllabus, and the prerequisites before taking any course. The time to complete the course is also mentioned on the side. The certificates from IBM are no small thing. If you are an IT enthusiast, this website is like a gold mine for you. Google. If you are an online learner, I am sure you will start salivating as soon as you hear about free certificates from Google. The reputation precedes the name. The link of this website is mentioned in the description. The website shows free courses from Google and other providers endorsed by Google with free and paid certifications. These courses are mainly related to business, analysis, and marketing. You can view the free certifications by selecting the free certificate option in the filter. Paid certification courses can be viewed by selecting the paid certificate option in the filter. All the other courses shown here do not provide a certificate. Coursera. Coursera is providing over 100 of its best courses for free only during the lockdown period. The deadline for the registration of these courses is July 31st, so hurry if you do not want to miss this opportunity. These courses are divided into various categories based on your academics. Further, these courses are divided into various subjects as you can see here: personal development, computer science, public health, business, humanities, society and culture, college preparation, science, and maths. The link is mentioned in the description. If you face some trouble in registering for these courses for free, we have already made a video explaining the step-by-step process for the same. You can check the video on the link shown on the top right of this video, or you can find it on our channel. FutureLearn. FutureLearn also provides some free courses with certification. You can check these courses on the website of Advisor. Just visit this link mentioned in the description and select with certificate and free courses in the filter section to view all the free courses with certification from FutureLearn. You can then click on Details button to view all the details of the courses or Enroll Now button to register for these free courses. Great Learning Academy. Great Learning Academy is also offering free courses with certification during the lockdown period only. The deadline for free registration is not provided yet, but the registration can stop anytime, so hurry up and register for your favorite courses. These courses are approved by AICTE, All India Council for Technical Education, which is a big deal. You can see all these free courses on this website. The courses are divided into the mentioned categories like machine learning, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, marketing, and finance. Just click on the category you are interested in and select the course you want to enroll in. Ellison. All the courses on Ellison are free, but most of the courses need you to pay for certificates. However, there are over 20 free courses with free certificates in Ellison in a variety of fields from Microsoft Office to healthcare. The link to this website is mentioned in the description below. You just need to click on the course that interests you and then click on Start Course Now to start the course, complete it, and get the certificate for free. BitDegree. For BitDegree, visit the link mentioned in the description and click on the Get Certified Now button. There are a lot of free and paid courses on the website. To view all the courses providing free certification, click on Sort By option and select the lowest price and all the free courses will come on the top. You can see a variety of free courses here in computer science, management, business, mathematics, Bitcoin and a lot more. Just click on Start Learning Now button to enroll in the course for free. So that's it for this awesome collection of free online courses with free certificates. If you are interested in any subject and want to find a course perfectly suited for you, visit Advisor. Advisor aggregates, compares and recommends online courses from all the major course providers like Coursera, Udemy, FutureLearn, EDX and a lot more. If you are unable to find free courses in the subject of your interest, comment below and we will try our best to help you. If you are interested in knowing more about online courses, don't forget to subscribe to us. Stuck between courses? Take our advice.